Bring the beauty and warmth of a real fireplace to your living space without any of the mess with the stainless steel electric fireplace with wall mount and remote. 36 inches by Northwest. Includes wall mounting hardware for easy installation and a beautiful stainless steel finish front panel which adds a stunning modern look to your home decor. With adjustable flame brightness, 2 different heat settings, and remote control, you can easily transform your living space into a lap of luxury. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fully adjustable settings. Featuring 2 heat modes, high 1500 watts and low 750 watts. Wall mounting accessories and adjustable flame brightness. This sleek electric fireplace allows you to customize it exactly how you want it. The flame effect can also be used without the heater, making it ideal for all-season use. Number 2. Safe and convenient to use. With no actual fire, logs, or chimney, and a safety thermal cutoff device, this electric fireplace is a great and safer an alternative to a real fireplace. The fireplace also includes a remote for your added comfort. Number 3. Functional home decor. The black glass with silver stainless steel paneled design of the fireplace enhances any area. The decorative pebbles to display on the flame bed add another stylish element that makes this a unique and handy attractive piece to enjoy and warm up any 400 square foot room. Number 4. Product details. Dimensions: 3.5 inches by 36 inches by 22 inches. Cord length: 71 inches. Power: 750, 1500 watts for 110 to 120 volts, 60 Hz. Remote requires AAA batteries. Number 5. Satisfaction guaranteed. Northwest is committed to providing consumers with the absolute best price and value on our entire line of products. Note: this is an exclusive product of Northwest, and only stainless steel electric fireplace with wall mount and remote by Northwest are guaranteed to be genuine. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.